What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am installing a 10x10 metal shed. This shed is from PatioWell, and they had a deal going on. We paid $638 with shipping, and it was well worth it, I hope. It'll be easy to do, so I'm going to install this today, and I'm going to walk you through how we're going to do that. Now they have these boxes numbered 1 of 4, so I'm assuming we're going to start with number 1 and then work our way up to box number 4. So let's open up and see what we got. Nope. So don't start with 1 out of 4. I didn't think so because there's supposed to be a track for the bottom, and I am not going to put any kind of pad down or anything. There is gravel underneath this, grass. This just doesn't get used, and it's going to sit there. I'm going to build it and kind of tuck it. I'm hoping I can lift it up with a couple of people, tuck it in the corner, and it's going to stay there for a year or 2 probably, and then it's going to be used as an animal barn, probably for the pigs, maybe on the other side of the creek or something. We have 2 other options, but for now it's going to hold all my bee stuff and a bunch of other clutter from the garage because I'm redoing the garage. So let's find which box goes first. All right, box number 2. There we go. So I'm gonna grab the other boxes, I'm gonna lay them out, open them all up so we can figure out where the instructions are, and I can start with there. But this is the track I was looking for, so that's a good sign. Move these off to the side and grab another one. See what's in this one. There we go. It was in the first box in between stuff. Look at that, they even send gloves, which I recommend using because this is metal. Those gloves are gonna be way too small for my mitts. All right, I'm gonna read this and I'll be back. So, remember the garden beds I built when there's plastic on the metal? There's plastic on the metal. Nowhere in here does it say there's plastic on the metal. So I have to take all the plastic off before I install it, which it's also windy today. So my back line is going over, so I need to do this fast. So take the plastic off. One thing I'm really liking about this instruction manual is that they're putting in the QR codes you can scan, and it gives you that point in the book where you are, a little video, so you can watch it and see what they're doing step by step. So tools for the job, I really recommend to have some gloves. There's some gloves that come with it, but they may or may not fit your hands. They obviously won't fit mine, they're too big. The gloves are too small, my hands are too big. The other thing is drill, cordless is best. If you don't have cordless, obviously cord to work. The other thing is a table or sawhorses has really helped quite a bit. Not too shabby for only a couple hours today. I don't know if I'm gonna work on it anymore, so I'll just go in tomorrow. Start tomorrow morning. Looks nice. I did it a little differently. So the instruction says to do these front panels last, but I didn't do that because of the wind. I didn't want it to flop over on the side, the corners. So what I did is I put all the tops on, and like the instruction said, and then I just started, you know, putting all the sides on, because you gotta take out the 2 screws right here and then down there to put that one piece on, but it's fine. It's coming together. It's looking good. Can't wait to see how it looks when it's done.